In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF document with Adobe Acrobat, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're signing a contract, a form, or any document requiring your autograph, Adobe Acrobat makes the process simple and efficient. So, in this step-by-step guide, I'm here to help you navigate through it with ease. First, let's open up your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you like best. Enter Adobe in the search bar and hit Enter. Your goal here is to find the Adobe website, which should typically appear as the first result. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Adobe homepage where, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in. Once you've logged into your Adobe account, your next move is to open Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. This is where the magic happens. Select the PDF document you wish to sign. If it's saved on your computer, you simply need to navigate to it through the Open File dialog in Adobe Acrobat and select it. Once your document is open, look towards the right pane or the toolbar at the top of your screen for the Fill and Sign button or the Sign icon. These buttons are your next stop. Click on one of these and you'll be directed to the next screen where you can add your signature. Now, direct your attention to the Sign button. Once you click on this, a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Add Signature. This is where you have a few options to consider. Adobe lets you type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or stylus, or you can even upload an image of your already crafted signature. If typing, you can choose from some preset styles. If drawing or uploading, make sure your signature is aligned and clear. After you've chosen and prepared your signature to your satisfaction, click Apply. This allows you to position your signature at the appropriate spot on your document. Click once more to place it, securing it to the page. And just like that, your document is signed and ready. Before closing out of your document, don't forget to save it. Click File in the top menu and then select Save to ensure your hard work doesn't get lost. With that, you've successfully signed your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. I truly hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Signing documents digitally is a handy skill that saves time and adds convenience to managing paperwork. Keep practicing, and soon this process will feel like second nature. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.